We're going solar on the house. So I wanted to buy solar, but I didn't want to break the bank, and I wanted to have some lights, some solar lights installed in the back patio, just to see what kind of thing it would do. And so I bought these.
Oh, are you talking to me?
No, can't you see I'm doing my damn video? Shut up!
Oh, see, that's what...
Alright, that was wife. And as you can see, look, it's pretty long, 3 meters, 80 mm, whatever the hell that means. Anyway, let's unpack it. Let's see what we got. I ended up buying 4 of these bad boys, so we'll just call it 40 each and 160 total. You got the light, connect, bam. Right here is where you got to point your remote control so it'll turn off and on. And this little light, this little thing turns it on and off too. And this is pretty long too, so you'll be able to connect wherever you want. It has a little stand, it comes apart. See? And it just connects in. And you can just mount it wherever you got to mount to. Catch the sun wherever you need to catch it. Where you get the most sun, right? Basically. That's it. So because this is outside, it was kind of easy to make it because I didn't have to pump any holes in the walls. Check it out. And it doesn't have any drywall. So put a baby light right there. Bam. It just goes out to the roof right there. That easy. Another one right there. Just connected it here. Comes around and it goes right back out the other way. The other side I had to find a different way through because of the wire. See, that's the connector. That's what you're gonna point your remote at. So here, boom, and it goes out this way to the roof. Same thing with that one. It goes out. And there they go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice. So I bought 4 of the same lights, which mean the same remote will work on all 4. Same remote. You just gotta point it at this thing. See? 3, 4. Fast forward to night, and I want to show you guys how dark it is at 9:40 back here. We got the shade up. Just want you to show you guys what these 4 little lights do. 1, 2, 3, 4. Look how much light this gives. No other light is on. It's dark, super dark. That's it. That's my review. And by the way, they do about 4 hours We turn them on at about 9 p.m. if we're out here. We can stay out here until 1 without using any other electricity. I'm thinking about getting 2 more lights and putting them all the way in the end there, and that'll just brighten the whole place up. Not bad.